This is Jason from International. I will show you our two nozzle hot finishing production line. This line is most designed for its almost cosmetic stick products. Something like this lip balm, deodorant stick, SPF, and shower, hair wax, something like this, and a blush stick. So our design is like this with box design. You will see we will change different products. We just change the box only. We don't do any mechanism or adjustment. Okay, you will see this is round one and also this is flat one. So you will see. And then we just need two operators. One operator put the bottles here, empty bottles here, and then it was automatic spinning. Okay, automatic spinning. After spinning, and then enter this cooling tunnel. Cooling tunnel inside we have this 11 loops inside. There was 11 loops inside. Total inside is 28 meters. This is 5 HP. 5 HP. This cooling tunnel. You see here. This is 2.5 meters. This length. Total inside have this 28 lengths, 28 meter. And this is reheating function. This is for its top finishing products. Something like lip balm and this blush, something like this. It means top finishing. After cooling, it will get shrink and hairs will remelt again and make the surface get flat. Okay. After that, with this cooling again, this cooling just make the surface remelt the surface, get the solid. Okay. After that, we will operators just put its caps or end cap here. After that, here we press cap tighten, and there is a direction for some of this flat, like something like the flat one. So this one will change box direction. After this, press cap tighten and then discharge. Okay, discharge. So this is finished product. So this is the production line. Okay.